Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. And in this video I'm going to show you one more trick which will be very useful while developing your iOS applications. So in this trick I'm going to show you how you can check your spelling mistakes, which is also called as typos, while writing the code. So for example, here you can see I have already written some code. Like here I have written developer name and I have misspelled that. Also at the bottom you can see I have written function also, where I have again misspelled that. Again here I have used this same variable below, and on that I am assigning one string. There also I have misspelled this spelling, and here also in the comments also I have misspelled. So there are four scenarios. One is variable name, other is function name, then third is the comments, and the last one is the string which I am assigning. So we do make mistakes many times inside the string, so this trick will be very useful for you. So just to check how you can detect your spelling mistakes, you have to go here inside edit and then on format, and here you have the spelling and grammar. On that you have this option, that is check spelling while typing. So if you enable this, you will see the mistakes which you have already made. And if you write a new variable, for example if I write here where I will say developers, like this, I will not write e there, and I will assign it some empty string. Then it will give me that red line, which is also known as error line. You must have seen in many documents. So this is how you can come to know the mistakes in your file. So again if I say here happy, like this, it will give me the error line there also. Same like this if you do for the comments, and you will get the errors. For the function names also you will get the errors. So this is how you can find the errors in your file. But there is one more shortcut on the keyboard, which is shift command and colon. If you press all three together, we will come up with this pop-up, which is spelling and grammar. And here you can see the Xcode is detecting that this name is spelled wrong, and it is also giving me suggestions how you can correct it. So for example, if I click on here change, means it will go to the next variable. Now if I click on find next, it will go to the next typo, that is developer. You can see I have typed it like this, and it is giving me suggestion that it should be like this. Again if I click on find next, this time it will come here. Again it is showing me developers written like this. You can write it like this, find next. Now it's here, find next. Now it's inside this comment section, find next. Now it's coming at the top where my name is written, so this is not any word, that's why it is guessing that it's a wrong spelling. Again find next. So this, like this, you can just move through your all the spelling mistakes and you can correct them in the Xcode. So that's all guys for this video. I hope you have liked this trick and you will use it while working in Xcode. So thank you guys for watching this video, and yeah, all the best. Bye.